In this video, we're gonna learn how to install our email subscription form and how to insert it into our website. So maybe you wanna build your email list and you wanna know how to do that. So we're gonna go for here, and I just saved our entire work for those sections. And if you didn't, go ahead and save your sections while you're still on the home page. So whenever you wanna save those changes to your website and that page you're working on, you have to save it before you close the Elementor, okay? And now we will go to our plugin section in the website and look for MailPoet. You can add MailChimp for email plugins, or MailPoet, or ConvertKit. This one is premium, so we're gonna install that one for building your email list. And we have these amazing ninja forms we're gonna use for the contact form later, okay? So you can go ahead and install both of them now, or even each at its own time. I'm gonna start with that one. This is the new version of the MailPoet. They upgraded that one, and we're gonna install it now. Then let's go ahead and activate that. And if you wanna add new plugin, you're gonna go to your plugins and add new and search for MailPoet or any other plugin, okay? Now we have our MailPoet in here. So when we press on MailPoet in here, you're gonna get that screen with that short video. It's gonna teach you how to use the MailPoet, which is amazing as a startup for your email list. I think free up to 2000 emails or something like that, which is amazing for a startup. Settings in here. In basics, you will be managing your default email settings, and you can adjust the other settings from here. And you have sign up confirmation if you want to enable that for people to make a confirmation. And then you can customize your from, reply to, an email subject, and all that from here for the sign up confirmation email. Then we have advanced settings, which are bounced email will be sent to another email in here. And by the way, you should be knowing that it's also sending people a newsletter. So like people will be subscribing for a lead magnet, and that lead magnet could be a newsletter, or a newsletter and free ebook or PDF or whatever you can give away for your clients or for your visitors, okay? So they will be signing up to your email list, okay? When you finish, you're gonna save your settings, and you can go to premium in here when your email list grows, or even if you have a big email list already. Then we're gonna go to lists, and you need to create a list as a beginning. So we're gonna create one. And you can start adding new list from here, or you can use that one if you would like. My first list, which is automatically created when you install MailPoet, and you can add new if you would like and call it Elementor, for example. And this is a description for you if you would like to describe it anyway. Trial list, for example, and we're gonna save it so it's not gonna be visible for anyone. And then you have a new list in here. Then you have subscribers, which you can import from here, or you have previous subscribers, you're gonna see them in here, or you can import or export from other email opt-in like MailChimp or ConvertKit. And then we have our forms, and here you can create your new form, add new from here. And here you're gonna see settings like that. You can close the settings, and form placement, fields, styles, okay? So you can start this form, add the subscribers to these lists, so you can add the new list or even both of them, my first list. And then we have form placement, and in here you have these options, whether to add this form to your sidebar or footer, on widgets page, or even copy and paste this short code, which we're gonna do that now. We're gonna Command C or Control C. And then you have fields. Those are the fields for our email opt-in form. We can add any of these fields to our form. But we have divider and first name, last name, list selection, random texts, and you can even add more new fields, okay? Then you have these styles. It's a custom code for customizing your form. And here you can customize your form by editing display. You can change your label's text and whether to display it within your label or outside it. Then you're gonna press on done. And here you can display the button for subscribe. But anyway, let's go to our Elementor again, and let's add new section in here. and we're gonna add our text editor like that, and then you're gonna paste your shortcut Command V, and then we're gonna save that, and then we're gonna preview our page. This is how it's gonna look like, and now we're gonna go and design that to make it look even better than that. So we're gonna edit that section. This is a new section, and we're gonna add a background for that section, style, and add a video background for that section. In here, let's add that one, and this is how it's gonna look like. And we can even put background fallback for mobile users, because like videos don't work on mobile phones, and that's why we're gonna add a picture for them so they don't have a blank area. You can try that photo in here, and we're gonna insert it, and as you can see here, it's not gonna work on mobile or tablet, the video background. Okay, so now let's continue adjusting our subscribing for. So let's go ahead and customize that text here, style. I'm gonna center that, and don't worry about that, it will be fixed in a little while. And then we can add some heading for that section as well, and let's encourage people to sign to our form. Let's call this one subscribe to our weekly newsletter. Command A. I'm gonna go style that one, make it white, typography on, I'm gonna make it uppercase, and let's align it, make it centered, and let's increase its size like that, and add some line height. And now let's even customize that a little bit more by adding some background from the style. In here we have to select our email opt-in form, and then we're gonna go to advanced and background. Now I'm gonna show you 3 art directions designing your email opt-in form. First, we're gonna start by solid color, maybe white or light gray background. Then we're gonna try a picture and even a video. Going to element style and increase our padding, maybe 10, like that. And for the margin, we're gonna unlink that, maybe 50 and 50. Okay, this actually needs more customization. Maybe let's make this one 70 and 70. From here can go back to our background in here, instead of that solid color, maybe this one. This one looks quite nice, but we need to work more on the minimum height for this section. So let's go save that. Okay, I think we need to work on the section's height first from here, and let's make its height minimum height this time, and we can control our height from here. Let's scroll down, maybe something like that. We can work on our column to get it a little bit higher, maybe 30. Yeah, 30 is nice. And then let's go to our email opt-in form, and let's make it on the side, because like when we get it into the center, I think we have a problem with that area of entering the email address. It will not be moving into the center, so let's keep it on the left. I don't know if there is other way to change it, make it in the center, but maybe we can enter our typography and change our text color and make it like that color. I think black is more visible, maybe gray. We can go and edit its background again, advanced element background, and let me show you another nice and cool effect in here. We can change that image and make it maybe like this one, and then we're gonna insert our media in here, and we're gonna make it parallax effect like that, fixed the attachment, and for the size we're gonna make it cover. Okay, so when you move, it's gonna look like that. And of course you need to change the color of the text in here to make it white or bright color to be visible like that. Okay, and it looks really nice like that. You can go ahead and experiment with many different styles and techniques. This is how it looks like for email opt-in form. And now I'm gonna do just one more thing. I'm gonna make that section height a little bit less, like that. And maybe we need to adjust our typography a little bit, make it light. Wait, I'm gonna make it 300, and I'm gonna make it our font Helvetica, and then maybe increase its size a little bit to make it look even more elegant. Hope that was easy one, and go ahead and install your email opt-in form. This is very important for your email marketing strategy and for your online marketing. It's really recommended to start doing that as soon as possible.